How you say that one? Why not goes in? Welcome to my garage. 2023 MT-07, and we changed the aftermarket levers. It's beautiful. The color is perfect matching. Really lightweight and adjustable, and a little bit shorter than the original one. So let's get started.
I don't see.
To take it off easily to the cable, you have to lose maximum how you can. So you goes inside, and after you have to finish it. The open line is matching with that line, and after you force a little bit the cable itself. Whoa, okay, is not enough. Yes, it's number 12, so you lose that a little bit. You don't need to take it off fully. Yes. And let's see now. Yeah, it's more loose, so you can take it out like this one and going down. So after we take it off the lever itself, that is under have a bolt, is number 10. So just take it out there and put back the other one. After, when you put back, you have to check the sensor is in good place or not. It's too much because we're not already tight. Oh. Oh. Inside has a spacer. Because it's moving too much, you see? It's moving too much. So you have to put in the spacer. I think so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Every day learn something. In the spacer. And force it back to the right place. No, you have to listening for the sensor what is in the bottom. Yes. After you install back the cable, same how you do, just the opposite. So put in first. You just turn just a few threads. After you install back to down the clutch cable. Yeah, something like this. Okay, after you fix it, that bolt, I always, you see guys, here has a, how you say that one? What is that? So that one I always put to the that way, because if you check the cable itself, when you pull the cable is not just move that way, it's going a little bit that way. So if we have a chance, you see here has a place, all of us, so that place is come to the other way, and we not have a chance for the clutch cable is eating himself. So put like this one, and the clutch cable is much more smooth. Yeah, I think it's perfect. Let's see. Okay, so now come the brake lever. Is the same? No, we're not tightening the screw. You don't need super tight, because that bolt is lock himself. Okay, and go in the other way. It's same, number 10. Just the only one different to the bolt, maybe the screw you need with a flat screwdriver. Let's see. Yeah, we don't need it. Oh. Okay, so maybe that's why we need a screwdriver. Yes, it came up with the screwdriver. Nagyon közel vagy. Bár lehet, hogy. Oh, maybe we don't need it because that is different type screw, you see. Let's see.
It's fit this way.
Yeah, I think, yeah, it's fit. Yeah, it's fit inside perfectly.
Yes.
Okay, so it's come out.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Wow.
You see, and you not make it for yourself to your bike.
I can do it. Right?
Yes, you can. Thousand times I tell you.
Now I know
times.
how.
1,000 times I tell you.
I
You
don't
can.
know, it's easy.
Why not goes in? I hated the flat screwdriver. No, it's not going. Oh, I have to force a little bit. I have to force a little bit in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's why. Yes. So just a hand tight.
Dejavniska.
You remember guys, it's a self-lock, the bolt itself, so don't need too tight. It's playing perfectly. And let's see how it works.